Good morning, children. How are you all? Last week we have completed learning and writing of lesson 1, Our Body, question and answers, and match the following. Today we will be writing in term 1 reader on page number 93, 94, and 95 along with missing letters and rhyming words in EVS notebook. Please do the assigned work neatly after watching the recorded video in your Term 1 reader and EVS notebook. Thank you. Are you all ready with your Term 1 reader, children? You need to remove page number 93. We will be doing C bit here. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. Where are the words? Can you see this red box here? Yes. In this red box, we have words which need to be written in the correct sentences of the dashes. Taste, ear, hands, fingers, legs, feet, walk. Let us start reading our first fill-up. Our ears help us dash. How do they help us? They help us in hearing. So we need to write here, ear. Right here. H-E-A-R. Ear. Okay? Second one, our legs help us. They help us in doing what? Walking. So our legs help us walk. It is right here. So we need to write here walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Our tongue helps us taste, right? Yes, so we need to write here taste. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Is it right, children? Yes. Fourth one. R dash and dash help us skate. Do you know what is the meaning of skate? Yes, we do it on ice. So, what are the things that help us doing skating? That is our legs and our feet. So, first you will write here our legs, L-E-G-S, legs, and feet, F-E-E-T. Feet help us skate. Okay. Now, fifth one. R dash and dash help us write. What are the things that help us write? Hands and fingers. So, you need to write first hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands, and fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Our hands and fingers help us write. Got it? So, we have used all these words given in the box. So, these are our fill-ups on page number 93. Now, turn to page number 94. Can you see these match the following? Match each sense organ with its correct description. Description means with its correct organ we have to match the sentence. Okay, children? Now, can you see what are these? All the pictures. First one is eye. Second one is nose. Third one is ear. Fourth one is tongue. And the fifth one is skin. So, these are all our sense organs. We need to match them with the correct sentences. Okay? Now, first one. This sense organ helps me to smell and breathe. How do you smell and breathe, children? With the help of nose. Where is the nose? Here it is. Okay. So what is written here? Second one. So here in this box, you need to write 2. We are matching this with nose. And where is nose? It is on second number. So please write it here 2. Next one. This sense organ helps me to taste. How do you taste? With the help of your tongue. Where is the tongue? It is right here. It is on number 4. So you need to write in this pink box 4. We are matching this sentence to tongue, that is 4. Okay? Next. This sense organ helps me to see. How do you see, children? With the help of eyes. Okay? How do you see? With the help of your eyes. So which number is here? 1. So you are matching this sentence with eye. And you need to write here 1. Next, this sense organ helps me to feel. How do you feel? You feel with your skin. Right? So you need to write here 5. You need to write here 5. Okay? Now, the last sentence is, this sense organ helps me to hear. How do you hear, children? With your ear. Here is the picture of ear. What is it? The number 3. You need to write here 3. Got it? So this is the way how we match sense organs. Okay? Now comes the E bit. What can you see? It's a cake here. It's a cake. Let us begin this exercise. Which sense organs do you use to know about the following features of your birthday cake? This is your birthday cake. Now let us see which organ helps us to know about the features, about their features. Beautiful shape. How can you tell that it is a beautiful shape? With your eyes. Yes, if you are seeing this, you are seeing it with your eyes. So, beautiful shape. How are you seeing the beautiful shape? With your eyes. So, you need to write here eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Nice smell. How can you smell? With your nose. Right here, nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Sweet taste. How is the cake? It is very sweet. So how do you taste it? You taste it with your tongue. You taste it with your tongue. So you need to write here the spelling of tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Okay? Softness. How do you feel the softness of the cake? When you touch it with your hand. And what is there on the hand? Skin. So you need to write here Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Got it, children? So in this way, we can know that sense organs help us doing all these things. Okay? As you know, we have already finished these question answers in our EVS notebook. Now comes to page number 95. Can you see this green box here? First bit is tick the correct answers. Which sense organ tells us that the telephone is ringing? Ear, skin, or tongue? Which one does it tell? It is our ear. Very good. Ear. Okay. Second one. Which is not a part of our body? Nose, rose, ear. It is rose because rose is a flower. So you need to tick on rose. Okay? Now comes B part. Name the parts of the body that rhyme with these words. You have already learned rhyming words in your English class, right? We need to rhyme the given words. Land. L-A-N-D. Land. Now, which body part rhyme with land? It is our hand. Land, hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Right, children? Does it rhyme with land? Yes. Land, hand. Second one. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. What does this rhyme with? Bread? Head. Very good. Head. H-E. What is the spelling of head? H-E-A-D. Head. Okay? Bread. Head. Does it matching? Is it matching, children? Yes, it is matching with head. Third one. Twin. T-W-I-N. Twin. Twin is matching with, rhyming with which part of your body? Twin. Chin. Yes, chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Twin, chin. Fourth one is rose. Which body part does it match with? Rose. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Got it, children? So these are the rhyming words that match with our body parts. First one is land, hand. Bread, head. Twin, chin. Rose, nose. Okay? Got it? Good. Now, fun time. Find the names of 5 body parts hidden in the given word grid. Can you see this box? It's all having all the alphabets are here. But with those alphabets, we can come to know which are our body parts that are hidden in this grid. Watch this, children. Can you see this box? Yes. T is highlighted here, right? So, what follows down is the spelling of thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. So, you need to circle this spelling thumb. Okay. The next box. Which letter is highlighted here? F. Right? So, under F, what spelling is coming up? F-O-O-T. Foot. Right? So, you need to circle the spelling foot. Now, next line. Which word is highlighted here? M. So, the spelling of mouth. M-O-U-T-H. You need to circle mouth. Okay? So, how many words did we find here till now? Thumb, foot, mouth. Next is T is highlighted here. T-O-E-S. Toes. I found this word. Circle it. T-O-E-S. Toes. Okay. The last one. Which word is highlighted here? H. So under H, which are the words? Which are the alphabets? H, A, N, D. Hand. Circle hand. Okay? Isn't it fun? Yes, I enjoyed doing it. Hope you will also enjoy searching all the hidden body parts. Now comes the B bit. That is, recite the poem with your teacher. I am special. I am me. No one looks the way I do. No one smiles the way I smile. No one walks the way I walk. No one talks the way I talk. No one plays the way I play. No one says the things I say. I am special. I am me. Get it, children? Good. So, hope you all have understood all the bits. See you in next class. Thank you.